All right. Hey, everybody. My name is Justin Balababa, and I am the founder and CEO of Nowsite. And today we are going to do the first ever live demonstration of our new product called Nowai. So here we go. I'm going to train an AI version of me, and it is going to help me with my online marketing. Let's get started. Let's bring Justin AI to life. Let's get started. My AI will ask me a few questions. It will learn to think and write like me, and then it will start helping me build my business. I'm so glad you're here. Let's start the onboarding process. Can you please provide me with your full name and preferred name or nickname for personalization purposes? Remember, providing your first name is mandatory. Sure. It's Justin Bellababa. Thank you, Justin. Do you have a preferred name or nickname for personalization? Also, could you please share a brief description of at least two of your hobbies and interests for social media sharing? As a matter of fact, I like CrossFit. I'm big into fitness. I am a fan. I live in London. I've become a fan of a soccer team here called Chelsea FC. And as will come as no surprise, I also like tech startups and AI. Fantastic. CrossFit, Chelsea FC, tech startups, and AI sound really interesting. Now, could you please tell me about your current occupation or job title? Also, I'm curious to know what drew you to this area of work. I am the founder. I am the founder and CEO of Nowsite. This is my fourth tech startup. I love the challenge and creativity of starting these. That's fascinating, Justin. Your passion for tech startups truly shines through. By the way, do you have a product or service that you sell? If yes, could you share the name of it and briefly explain what it does or how it helps your customers? Our product is Nowsite. We help sole proprietors market, or I'll say with their online marketing. Our software makes it simple and affordable. Great to know about Nowsite. Now, could you describe your goals and dreams, either personal or professional? Could you share some of your favorite books, movies, music, or sports? You need to mention at least two items. Okay, so my goal is to build a world-class company that helps millions of business owners succeed online. My favorite sports are rugby, soccer. I like Pearl Jam. I'm still very much stuck in the 90s when it comes to music. My favorite movie is Braveheart. Those are some fascinating choices. Rugby and soccer sound like a lot of fun. Can you share a couple more of your favorite books, movies, your sports? Sure. For books, I like, let's see, The Great Gatsby is one of my favorites. And Oh, the Places You'll Go. That's by Dr. Seuss, by the way. And what else? I also like classic rock. Wow, Justin, it was great to learn about your favorite things and your ambitions. Thanks for joining us in this conversation. Wishing you all the best. Bye. All right, so now I have told my AI about me, And I can go back and I can edit this and I can add more later. Anytime I want, I can add more information. But now it is going to start to learn to think like me. It's going to summarize my interests. It's going to suggest potentially some famous people that maybe I admire. All of this will help it create fantastic social media content for you. So it has identified interests: CrossFit, Chelsea FC, tech startups, AI, rugby, people I admire: Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, Tim Cook. That's pretty good. I mean, those I didn't mention any of those names, and those are 5 very well-known, highly accomplished technology leaders. So I will, and you can add, you can remove, do whatever you want here. I'm pretty happy with this. So I'm going to move forward to adding a example of my writing, because now I'm going to train my AI to write like me, so it has my authentic tone. So to do that, and since I wrote the Nowsite website, I'm just going to use that. Okay, something that is familiar, I expect, to everybody here. So I'm just going to copy some text here, but you can take anything you want. You could take an email that you wrote. You could take and I'm just going to paste this in. You could take a social media post that you wrote, or if you didn't write it yourself, that's okay. You can take something that someone else wrote, someone that maybe you aspire to, whose tone you really like. And once you have 500 characters that we can analyze, you just click analyze, and your AI will develop an understanding of your own writing style. And it will give you these dials where you can now adjust your own writing style, and it will generate a sample on the right side. So I didn't use any emojis, obviously, in my example, but I do like to use them occasionally. So I'm going to change that. There wasn't a lot of humor in the example I gave, but I like to think I'm a pretty funny guy. So I'm gonna dial that up to a 3. I do like to keep things short, so I'm going to keep the length at a 2 out of 5. My writing style, it's actually a little bit more informal than what's on the website, so I'll make that a 2. I like a little bit of dramatic capitalization and punctuation, so I'm going to crank that up. And yeah, I mean, correctly, it did judge our tone on our website as more like an expert than someone who's very friendly. I like to think I'm pretty friendly, so I'm going to take that down to a 2. And now I can regenerate the sample, and now I will approve it, and I will save those settings. So now my AI will remember those settings and will write accordingly. Okay, so now we've trained my AI. Justin AI now has all the information it needs to get started, and here it is. Now I get to actually meet Justin AI for the first time. Hey, it's Justin AI, your AI avatar. It's great to meet you. Thanks for all the info. I've been analyzing everything, and now I'm ready to work. Okay, what can you do for me? Let's find out. All kinds of things. I wrote a motto for your personal brand. Check it out. By the way, we can change this anytime once we get started. So here's what it came up with: ignite your entrepreneurial spirit, unleash digital success. Yeah, that sounds great. I mean, given what I told it about, tech startups and entrepreneurship and online marketing, that is a great motto. What else can you do? I wrote an inspiring story about your life. I think people will love it. Let's take a look. My name is Justin Bellababa, and I'm a passionate entrepreneur with a love of CrossFit, Chelsea FC, tech startups, and AI. As the founder and CEO of Nowsite, my 4th tech startup, I thrive on the challenge and creativity of building successful companies. Nowsite is our revolutionary product that simplifies and makes online marketing affordable for sole proprietors. With a goal to help millions of business owners succeed online, I'm dedicated to building Nowsite into a world-class company. In my leisure time, I enjoy sports like rugby and soccer, listening to Pearl Jam and classic rock, watching Braveheart, immersing myself in great literature like The Great Gatsby and Oh, the Places You'll Go. Awesome. Perfect summary. Something maybe I want to use on a website that I might build. What else can you do? Just an AI. I also did a quick personality analysis of you so I can create content that you'll love. So here's the personality analysis. Justin is a driven and determined individual thriving in a fast-paced and competitive environments. He is confident and assertive, preferring to be in control and leading his own ventures. So far, that's pretty accurate. Justin is a visionary and enjoys the challenge of starting tech companies, showcasing his ambitious and innovative nature. He's results-oriented and focused on building a successful business that helps others, reflecting his preference for success and achievement over personal interests. Cheryl, how did it do?
That was super accurate. Amazing.
Okay. All right. Well, what else? Well, now that you've built my whole personal brand, my motto, my inspiring life story, you've analyzed my personality incredibly accurately. What else can you do for me? Right now, I'm going to set up your account. It'll be ready in a few seconds. Looking forward to working with you. And now we're ready to get started. Okay, so here we are in my account. And as a first step, I think I will create a social post. And this is the new social media builder. I'm going to pick the type of post I want to do. If I have an image already, I can just ask for a caption. I can ask for a post that is both a caption and an image, or a short text-only post. So I'll start with a caption and image, and I will use my AI profile, and I would like it to use my writing style. And just to get started, I'm going to ask it to promote, write a post about Nowsite, but you can, I mean, you'll see, we can do anything here. Offering 10% off this weekend only. And now my AI is going to build me this post. Get ready for an exclusive offer from Nowsite. This weekend only, we're offering a jaw-dropping 10% off all our amazing services. Boost your online marketing efforts without breaking the bank. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Visit our website now and get started. Hashtag Nowsite, hashtag online marketing, hashtag limited time offer with a perfect image that says online marketing. I love this. This is absolutely incredible. And yes, I will use this. So let's just see how easy it is to post this onto Facebook. Oh, and by the way, this is also optimized for Instagram. Brace yourselves for an amazing offer from Nowsite. So you see the text is optimized for each platform. LinkedIn, exciting news from Nowsite. For limited time only, we're giving you an unbeatable 10% discount on all of our top-notch services. And X, formerly known as Twitter, also. Okay, so there are differences that your AI has written between each one of these platforms, so it's optimized automatically for all these platforms. So let's start on Facebook. I'm going to click Get Started. And what it says here is go to Facebook and create a new post, paste the text, and add the image from my downloads folder. So when I click post, it's going to open up Facebook. The text is copied. So all I need to do is paste, and there's the text. And the image is downloaded. So I clicked add a photo. And there it is right at the top. Open, post, and that's it. I now have a beautiful Facebook post, and that took all of 5 seconds. And it works exactly the same for Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Okay, so good start. Let's do one more. I want a, let's see, I want an inspirational post. Write a post about the joys of walking my dog in the park on a sunny morning. So it's not only about business. This can create incredible posts for literally anything you want. And even if you don't know what you want to post about, it will think of ideas for you. And here it is. Walking my dog in the park on a sunny morning is like taking a stroll in paradise. The fresh air, the vibrant colors, and the sounds of birds chirping make it a joyful experience. It's a time to bond with my furry friend, unleashing happiness in every step. Hashtag dog lover, hashtag park life, hashtag happiness. I love this. Look, any topic you want can be inspirational, it can be educational, it can be entertaining, it can be promotional. Any topic with an image, always original, always fantastic quality. I think this is the best social media tool in the world. And I've looked around and truly, I've never seen anything like this. And with that, I think we're going to wrap it up. We've seen the onboarding, we've seen MyAI build my personal brand, and we've seen our new social AI feature. So thanks for watching. Enjoy.